Your Manscaped trimmer suddenly won't power on, stops working midway, or refuses to charge even though it was fine before. Sometimes pressing the power button gives no response at all, while other times the device vibrates briefly and shuts back off immediately. This kind of problem is usually caused by battery drainage, charging connection issues, clogged blades, or temporary internal safety lockups instead of a completely failed trimmer. In many situations, the device simply needs cleaning, charging, or a quick reset before it starts operating normally again. Before assuming the trimmer is permanently damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Manscaped device working again. 1. Connect the Manscaped trimmer to its charger and leave it charging for a while. 2. Check the charging cable and adapter for loose or damaged connections. 3. Clean hair buildup around the blades and power button area carefully. 4. Hold the power button down for several seconds to force a restart. 5. Try charging the trimmer using another outlet or USB power source. 6. Make sure the blade attachment is installed properly and securely. 7. Turn the device back on and test if the motor runs normally again.